I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So बहुत time हो गया मैंने कोई haul video नहीं किया है. So today's video is gonna be, it's not exactly a haul because ये सब मैंने खुद purchase नहीं किया है, पहले ही मैं बता दूँ. So there's a brand Pipa. You must have heard of it, and if you haven't, are you living under a rock? Okay. So अगर Pipa नहीं पता है किस चीज़ का brand है, it's a jewelry brand, and I have received some stuff from them, and I am so excited to show you guys what all I've got. So this video is gonna be a very fun, you know, chill, sitting down, unboxing kind of video. If you think that you would be interested in watching it, then you can keep on watching this video. So मेरे पास total 6 boxes है like this. Yeah, this is how it comes. This is how the packaging looks like, and to be honest, packaging is really good. और ये बहुत सारे bubble wrap में आई थी so that you know the jewelry is protected nicely. Without further blabbering in the intro, let's move on to the video and let me show you the first item that I got from Pipa. I love this name also, it's so catchy, Pipa. Okay, this is how the packaging looks like. You open it, then there's a thank you note, thank you for purchasing, and we have some things for decoration. फिर butter paper के अंदर we have our final product, which is a necklace. Let me show you this. Look at this. It's such a beautiful, I don't know what stones are these. It is such a beautiful piece. I'm gonna wear it a lot, you guys. Also, I'm gonna insert a flat lay or me wearing this necklace. So we actually filmed a very fun and out of my comfort zone wala video for my Instagram because I was so excited for the jewelry. I love jewelry, by the way. So me and my friend Divya filmed a video for my Instagram, so you can go and check that out too. I hope that will be already there जब ये video live जाएगा. Anyway, I'm gonna insert a picture or a video of me wearing it, or maybe a flat lay. But this is a very beautiful necklace. Love it. So let me show you the second item. We have this slider charm bracelet. It's a wraparound band actually, like this. This is how the product and this bracelet looks like. It's gonna look very cute if you're gonna wear it with a watch or you're gonna, you know, stick some more bracelets. The only thing that I think is off with this product, that this thing is silver and the charms are rose gold. So either the charms should be silver or this should be rose gold, but otherwise I love this product and definitely you're gonna see me wearing it. So the next product that I have, they sent me this hair clip. It's a beautiful rhinestone hair clip. You know how much trendy this is right now. Let me show you कैसा लग रहा है ये. It looks gorgeous. So I'm just gonna wear it for the rest of the video. Okay, let me show you another item that I got. Is this bracelet. It's a very beautiful and dainty piece, and this is how the bracelet looks like. If you are into dainty jewelry, you're gonna love it. Next item that I have is a set of 3 rings. These are very basic golden rings, but if you wear it nicely, like if you stack it, it looks amazing. And the quality, I know that you cannot judge the quality on screen, but it is actually very good. It's not those type of rings जो you know 2 बार पहन के काली हो जाती है, because I have a lot of them. Of course I can't wear them any longer. You can tell by just looking that it's a very good quality ring. So the last item in this haul are these really gorgeous flower earrings. How pretty are these? I mean, it's gonna look so gorgeous with a, you know, basic white or black dress. Can't wait to wear this. Also, I'm gonna insert a video here on screen of me posing like a model in these earrings, so that you guys can get an idea how it looks on a person. So yeah, that was it for the video. All the items will be linked down in the description box below, and the prices will also be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out. And do check it out, Pipa Bella's collection. It's awesome. I've always loved Pipa Bella, to be honest, but never got a chance to buy anything, so I was very happy when they came to me with some product. Anyway, if you enjoy this video, make sure that you like, comment which one was your favorite product, and subscribe to my channel, all the good things. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.